Oh, I don't like Halloween. I think it's kind of spooky kind of year time, yeah? Whoa! Whoa! Haha, I scared you. Oh, Peter, you are such a bad cat. Oh, come on, Bob. It's Halloween. Enjoy the spirit. Oh, okay. I'm going to eat your soul! Please, Mr. Death, don't eat my soul! Why not? 'Cause I wanted to offer you a nice latte. Would you like that? Why, yes. Could you make that a double, non-fat, with chocolate and 2 sugars? Sure. That would be lovely. Do-do-do.